I have been so happy and impressed with this air mattress. It is incredibly quick and easy to set up. Gone are the days trying to find the pump that goes with the air mattress and getting it all set up. This one has a pump built straight into it. So all you need is an outlet. It has a standard plug on it. You just plug it in and then you hit the inflate button, and I'm telling you, in less than 2 minutes, really more around 1 minute, this mattress completely inflates. And I was a little worried, what if it inflates too much and it bursts or something like that? It has an auto shut off feature, so you don't have to fear overinflating it. I love that it's nice and thick, so it keeps you off of the ground. The cord itself actually rolls up and it stays in this compartment, so you don't even have wires to try and keep tidy. So all around, it just makes for a hassle-free great night's sleep because it's so easy to pull up and set up if you have guests coming over or if you want to take it camping with you. It comes with this really nice carrying case that actually has the instructions inside of it. And I really love that this carrying case is bigger than the actual mattress when you roll it up, because sometimes it's hard to stuff a mattress or something back in its original bag once you unfolded it the first time. But that's definitely not the case here because this bag has plenty of room. Even if you don't fold the mattress up perfectly, it's still gonna fit in this bag and not be annoying, which makes it just as easy to put away as it was to set up, because there's also actually a deflate button. So you press that button and it pushes all of the air out of the mattress in under 2 minutes, and then you just have to roll it up. It really couldn't be easier. I have been very happy with this air mattress, so I know that you're really gonna like it too.